$3 billion. That's the prize if you can prove the Earth is flat. And this is the man holding the check. He's not joking. He's offering his entire $3 billion empire to anyone who can provide solid proof. No theories, no talk, just hard evidence. Snap a photo of the end of the world. Find the edge. Or just show him the massive ice wall everyone talks about. To flat earthers, our world isn't a ball, it's a giant disc. The North Pole is at the center. Day and night are just a spotlight moving across the surface. And the edge? It's sealed by a colossal wall of ice. A barrier to keep us from seeing what's really out there. Millions of people still swear by this. They even have a society. And some of these people are highly educated. You'll say, wait, we have satellite photos. It's a globe. But they have one question that shuts everything down. Have you seen it with your own eyes? They believe NASA is a puppet, a front for a power that wants the world packaged as a sphere. They say almost no one has seen the full Earth. And those who have, they're keeping quiet. Even Magellan's voyage is dismissed. They think his ships just sailed in a big circle around the disk. Some people are literally dying for this. In 2018, a 61-year-old man built a homemade rocket. He wanted to fly high enough to see the truth. The rocket failed at 500 meters. He almost lost his life right there. These people aren't just trolls. They are true believers. To them, Antarctica isn't a continent. It's a restricted zone. The Antarctic Treaty isn't for the environment. It's a military blockade to hide the edge of the world. Think about it. If you believe the Earth is a ball, you'll never try to leave. You'll just keep walking in circles. In their world, the sun isn't a massive star. It's a small light, only a few dozen miles wide, hovering just a few thousand miles up. The moon, same thing. And gravity? They don't buy it. An apple falls because it's heavier than air. A balloon rises because it's lighter. Simple density, no gravity required. They point to the UN logo. Look at it. A flat, circular map. They call it a hidden in plain sight hint. Then there's the pilot argument. If the Earth were curved, pilots would have to constantly dip the nose of the plane. Otherwise, they'd fly straight into space. But they don't. Or take Italy. In one port, just 21 meters above the sea, people can see an island 164 kilometers away. According to the curve, that island should be 1,000 meters below the horizon, hidden. But there it is. We're living in a giant fishbowl. And every time our tech gets close to breaking the glass, they distract us. They make us believe in the globe, so we stop exploring. For most of history, everyone knew the Earth was flat, and it's always the ridiculed minority that pushes the boundaries. But there's a darker version of this story, one that's much more terrifying. The globe isn't a map, it's a cage. They believe we've never left the fence. Antarctica is the boundary node. It's not the end of the world, it's an interface. There are rumors, leaks. They say Antarctica isn't land. It's a ring of towering walls, and beyond those walls, another realm entirely. Some early explorers reported a glitchy sky deep in the ice. No stars, no sun, just a constant grey-white glow. All those records, classified. The explorers, silenced. Flat earthers love to ask, if we're on a spinning ball in space, why have we never left low Earth orbit? They think the moon landing and deep space photos are just CGI. Why? Because if the world knew there was a boundary, society would melt down. In this logic, Earth is a closed system. The sun is a lamp, the moon is a reflector. The stars are a projection. We are living in a massive laboratory. Some even say the great disasters aren't natural. The Black Death, the Great Flood, the Ice Ages. They're system reboots. When humanity gets too advanced, the system hits delete. Sounds crazy, right? But look at the coincidences. Every ancient civilization tells the same story. A great flood, a cracked sky, gods descending from above. Maybe we aren't space explorers. Maybe we're just subjects. Earth is a high-tech observation pod. Now, there's a 20 billion yuan reward on the table. If someone proves the Earth is flat, they don't just get rich, they break the simulation. But here's the real kicker. It doesn't matter if the Earth is round or flat. What's scary is when a person only believes what they want to believe. Then, evidence becomes useless. This isn't a bet about geography. It's a bet about the limits of the human mind. If someone actually stood at the end of the world and took a photo, would you even believe it?